Hi everyone, my name is Jordan Lacker and this is my introductory video. I actually attended Fort Hays for my undergraduate degrees. I was a double major in chemistry and cellular biology. And then after I graduated, I actually entered into the transition to teaching program. So my first day of classroom experience was the first day that I actually had my very own classroom. I have taught in 3 different districts in Kansas. Kind of western, central, and eastern Kansas. All 3 of those places I've been a science teacher there. So I started in Jetmore, Kansas at Hodgman County High School, a small 1A high school. I was the only science teacher there, so I taught all the science classes for 9th through 12th grades. After that I moved to Minneapolis, Kansas, where I taught chemistry and biology classes at the Minneapolis High School. And then I got married and I moved to Manhattan, Kansas, and so for the last 4 years I have been a middle school science teacher in Manhattan, teaching mainly 7th grade life science. So I am married. We have one son. His name's Callan. He'll be 3 this August. Lots of energy, lots of fun. We love to do things outdoors, with fishing, hiking, camping. There's a picture of Callan and I on the boat this summer out on the lake. But we really love to enjoy the outdoors, so whenever the weather's nice, when we can, we like to get outside as a family and just enjoy that time together. My goals, short-term goals, become an administrator. I'd like to be a principal at middle school, high school level, and actually I'm kind of one of the few that would actually kind of like to be towards western Kansas. That's kind of where I grew up. I kind of like it out there, actually. Kind of long-term goals, really I just want to continue to learn, develop, get better each day to become the best version of myself. I want to become the best version that I can be. Life has surprised me in the past. I'm sure it's going to surprise me in the future, but each day I just want to try to improve myself to become better. And what would I like to learn out of this class? Well, I'd like to learn what I can do to improve the curriculum now in my current school and in any future schools that I may be at. A lot of times the decisions coming down from the state or federal governments I don't have a whole lot of control over. They're implemented and they're decided and we implement those, but I would like to know what I can do in my current school. How can I help the curriculum? How can I help kids learn now? How can I improve the curriculum so that in the future the students that we have that we're educating now are going to be able to excel and succeed themselves. Hey, thanks for watching. Looking forward to getting to know everyone, and good luck.